Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to install the BWEB component on a new 4D database. First, let's create a new database. We'll call it Demo1. Once created, place the component in the root folder, then restart the database. The database has now restarted. Go to Run, then Methods. Search for BSPOKE launch and click Execute. The component requires shared methods to run. It automatically installs the ones it needs on the host database. The form that appears gives you access to the free tools included with our component. Click the first button to install BWEB. On the right, you'll see the list of items to be installed. Click Start Installation. Read the terms of use carefully, check the box to agree, and click Confirm. During installation, the component checks if Node.js is present. If not, it will offer to install it for you. You can also install it yourself, but Node.js is required for BWEB to run. Here, I'll let 4D handle the installation. The system asks for administrator approval. I confirm. The installation proceeds without issue. Next, the component asks if you already have SSL certificates. You can skip this step, but SSL is required for production and for the best experience. Since we use WebSockets and starting with version 20R4, HTTPS is mandatory. You can generate self-signed certificates with the help of Syncrypt, but if you own a domain, we recommend purchasing a wildcard certificate. This will let you set up as many subdomains as you need. Here, I'll select our wildcard certificate. The installation continues smoothly with check marks confirming each step. When it reaches the structure installation, the component adds several tables to your database. They will always appear below your own tables in the structure. This step requires a few database restarts since it modifies the catalog file directly. During installation, the component suggests creating the first domain. You can enter any subdomain that matches the wildcard certificate you selected earlier. Here, I'll enter demo1.bespoke.fr. If Node.js was installed during setup, it may not be available immediately. A system restart might be necessary. Here, I've just restarted my machine and relaunched the project. I also ran BSPOKE launch again, and I can see that everything is properly installed. Now I can click to open BWEB, which launches the browser on the subdomain I set earlier. The login page appears. Enter the user dev. Since this is the first login, choose your own password, confirm it, and you're in. The administrator interface is ready. From here, you can add domains, create pages, and manage your site. Thanks for watching. See you soon for the next tutorial.